In this video I will measure the temperature using the AM2303. In my last video I showed you how you can use an NTC thermistor to measure the temperature, and in this video I will compare the temperature readings with this AM2302. So let's look up the data sheet. AM2302. It's also called DHT22, and it has a supply voltage of, we can use 5 volts, that's great. It can measure humidity and temperature. And I'm interested in the pinout. So from left to right, we have VDD, data, nothing, and ground. Perfect. Good. Let's connect it. The first pin is VDD. This is our 5 volt supply. I will grab it from here. Then we have the data, and I will connect the data to pin, let's use pin 2. And then we have nothing, and then we have ground. And ground will be connected to ground, of course. So how does it work? Yeah, there is a Chinese protocol going on. Is it something special? I don't know what it is. So digital signal via single bus. Is it one wire? I don't know. But what I do know is that we have a lot of libraries in Arduino. Yeah, that is going to save me because I already found one. I found this right here, groove temperature and humidity sensor, and this is the AM2302, and I installed that one. So let's see if that works. The groove sensor, DHT tester. Yes, I have the DHT22. As I just found out. It's connected to pin 2, that's alright. And debug, that's interesting. Why is it debug? I will remove this. I don't want this. How can we change all of the debugs? I select the first one, press Command D, and now I just write serial. It's much more clear now. Then we make a DHT test. Okay, wire begin. We start wire. That's interesting. Why do we need wire? Do we need wire? I don't think we need wire. Maybe we need wire. Let's see what happens. And we are already getting some readings. 2640. Yeah, this is about right. The lights are pretty hot. I don't think we need wire. Let's remove wire. See if it still works. Yeah. We don't need wire. And now I would like to compare this measurement with my measurement from the last video. So I would just copy. So I will copy the code from my last video. Into this. The NTC is still connected. So let's compare the two. So as you can see, it's pretty accurate. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel if you're ready to dive deep into the world of Arduino. Should I use this sensor or should I use the NTC in my smart home room sensor? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.